Ever wish you can avoid trading in a day where the market is ranging? Well, now you can. Today we'll go over one of our proprietary risk management features called minimum momentum and minimum direction. What is it? How do we use it? Well, minimum momentum and direction is a stipulation that does not let us take a trade if our directional or momentum core value are below a certain figure. So if we want to avoid a day like this here, this is 4/11/24. I'm just giving an example here. So we have a range bound day, and we don't want to trade this day because our EA is more of a trending based EA. We want to trade a day like this, trade a day more like that, probably get in over here. We do not want to get into a range bound day. This is what we try to avoid with our risk management and prohibition features. So how do we avoid this on this day over here? Well, we have a feature called minimum momentum, minimum direction. Find it over here. So minimum direction, momentum. These are values. So we have our momentum value and our directional values. They have to be above a 4.5. Momentum, so this is direction. Minimum momentum, the direction, and momentum both have to be above a 4.5 in order for us to enter a trade. If they are not above a 4.5, we will not be able to trade. Let's say momentum is at a higher value, 6, 7. Momentum allows us to trade, but direction, and let's say direction is at a 3, direction wouldn't allow us to trade, so we will not take a trade. So let's go back to the chart here. So on a day like this, we definitely have momentum earlier in the day because we had uptick over here. We had some momentum carrying us in an upward trajectory, and then the next day we kind of stall out. So momentum is going to be high, but we don't have any direction. We're lacking direction on a day like this. We're just kind of chopping and going range bound. So this feature, as we'll show you here, does not allow us to take a trade on this day because of that reason. So let's kind of look here at our tester. So as you can see here, here's that previous day, here's the 10th, and here's the 11th. At 10:06, this candle right here at 10:06, we had a momentum value of 8.05, directional value of 2.74. So our momentum value is obviously higher than the 4.5 minimum, so that would check the box and let us trade, but the directional value is at a 2.74, which is below the 4.5, which does not allow us to trade. Even though we are in tier 1, core value is 22.09. Again, let's go back to our set file here. In order for us to trade, the core value has got to be between 20 and 23. But again, it's not that simple. We have this feature called minimum momentum and direction, which states that the directional and momentum value have to be above X, and X in our case is 4.5. We can change this, obviously. We can change this to 4 or 3 or 2 or 5, whatever it is. We have it set to 4.5, and this stipulation will not let us trade. So as you can see here, we don't open up a trade. We are in tier 1. Core value is 22.09, but the directional value is not above 4.5, so we will not take a trade here. And that's how that feature works. Thank you.